Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Dogecoin. My friends, this time the things are getting positive in the Dogecoin, my friends, and absolutely you're getting a huge amount of profit from a Dogecoin today, my friends. Anyways, before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Dogecoin holders wake up in the market today. Changes occur in the Dogecoin is absolutely going positive, and personally, my friends, I'm very happy. I'm very happy to see this kind of changes in the Babydoge. And again, my friends, oh, it's time to celebrate Dogecoin holders. My friends, now the latest price of the Dogecoin is 0.2014. Oh, 2014. Very soon there will become a 2021. But I also know about that Dogecoin have a mission of $1. Very soon, my friends, the price will pump. Just wait for it. Just wait for it. That is just the beginning. As I told you, my friends, in my previous videos, that August is the month of Dogecoin. Possibilities, my friends, that Dogecoin will take a huge pump in the August, my friends. Just hold it. Never decide to sell, my friends. That's my recommendation for all of you. 2.66% the price is positive, and 2013 is the current price of the Dogecoin in the market. Furthermore, my friends, now absolutely the Dogecoin holders are in the profit, and especially, my friends, now it's opportunity, it's already a huge chance with all of you to invest now more and more in the Dogecoin, because you are getting 100x profit from a Dogecoin. You can see, my friend, now in the latest situation the Dogecoin price again take a jump, and I hope now you can see here this time the price pump again jumps, but now in the latest situation the Dogecoin is again in the pumping mode, and I hope my friends that's not a temporary pump, that is a long-term pump, my friends. Gradually, my friends, the price of the Dogecoin gradually increasing, so that's why the Dogecoin holders, you have to patience. Dogecoin needs patience. Just, my friends, I'm sure about that the Dogecoin price will be $1 at the end of 2021. So, my friends, just hold, be patient, and wait for a long term. That's how you can get a huge amount of profit with a Dogecoin. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about Dogecoin? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.